and welcome to this how-to video. In this how-to video I'm going to show you the installation of the calibration files for your new PI camera or XI400 camera. There's no need to install the calibration files for the XI80 camera because at the XI80 cameras the calibration files are already on the device. So if you want to install the calibration files for your PI or XI400 camera, you can do this in the software PIX Connect. For this, open the software PIX Connect. If you have opened the software PIX Connect, you can see for the first time that you get a window, an information window, where you can install and download the calibration files for your special camera with this serial number you have ordered. So click here on the button Yes if you want to download the calibration files via the World Wide Web. So the calibration files will be downloaded from our Optris server. Click on Yes, and you can see that we download now the calibration files from the Optris server. If the download is ready, you can see immediately the infrared camera image. Alternative, you can also download the calibration files from the software stick, which you get with the delivery of your PI camera or XI400 camera. So put the software stick into the PC. The software stick contains the whole package of the PIX Connect software and the calibration files for your camera with the serial number. Open the software PIX Connect, and here you can see again the window for downloading the calibration file via the web server. So click here on the button No, and now you have the possibilities to select a folder of the USB stick to download the calibration files. So click on the button Yes and choose the device which is your USB stick. Here you can find the folder Cali files with your special serial number of your own camera. Mark this folder and click on OK. As you can see, after the download of the calibration files, you will see immediately in the software PIX Connect your camera image. You have every time the possibility to re-download the calibration files with the software PIX Connect. For this, go to the menu point, Tools, Extended, and Load Calibration Data. Here you can again choose that you want to download the calibration files from the internet or from the directory on your USB stick. You have every time the possibility to download the newest firmware version for your PI camera or XI400 camera. For this, use the software PIX Connect. Go to the menu Tools, Extended, and Update Firmware. Now the PIX Connect software is searching for a new version of a firmware update. Here you can see that we have to download a new firmware version because the new version is available. So click on the button Yes. Now do not disconnect the camera during this process. You can see the firmware update was successfully completed. So now you have to disconnect the camera for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, connect the camera again. Click on OK. Now you can see the camera image again.